Jump ball, first ball possession. Gilberino gives Artade false ball. Now at the top, he goes to the middle. Against number 2, pass, cross pass. To the middle, Artade launches on the back. First, number 14 goes to the frame. Step inside, takes the window. That's good for number 14. 14, well, number 14. Lost the handle. Recover by number 7. Attack hold shot. Reject. Rebound. Fires. Split charity. 1 point over. And here. Last of the draw. Fires. Short. 5 for the rebound. Rebound for the Nueva Vizcaya. Here's number 14. Atapekan. Almost and recover. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Fakes, pump, fires, and gets the bucket. Altares taking it easy and high pass inside. The long pass in the finish. What a connection from Rebound for bounce pass inside. Ball stolen. Pass play. Mahor. And last of the free throw, number 22. In and out, pass break. Number 4, the left post, number 4. Maybe after the free throw. No. Last throw, Mejia. Split charge. Number 20. And a pass. The lane. Oh! Mejia gets the jelly. Middle, step back, pull up Jay, no good. Rebound Mejia. Mejia 2-2. That's straight on. Basket is good. Artades last on the free throw. In and out. Long pass, Mejia with the receive. Mejia with the attack. Bam, and fires. Yes, sir. Mejia. Mapupunta sa Team Nueva Vizcaya. 40 seconds. Slow pass. Mejia, hindi ka naman yung wala. Basket is good. That's Mejia. Naghangin the air. Hindi pumasok behind the back. Yata, 15 seconds. Artades is spinning. 2, 1. Bounce pass, stops, attack, side step. Hook shot, muntik behind the back, people pass over the ring, blows on the recover by number 12, and the pass to Ferrer, bounce pass inside the lane, rejected, but there's a whistle. Last of the free throw. And 5 goes to the screen. Yatao, another behind the back pass. Kicks it out, Yatao. Stops and bounce pass. Attacks to the home lanes. And the lucky bounce by number 1. Pass. Number 4 is stop. Open look, fires. Bang! Nothing but net. Seconds on the shot clock. Inside pass. Stops and pass. Rejected. There's a whistle. Corner inside. And to the middle. Pull the number 4 against the bucket. Number 55. De La Cruz. Last on the free throw. Gets them both.
number 6. To number 4, De La Cruz. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 6. Good for. Still number 7. Pass to number 8. 10 to shoot. Easy goal by number 5. Still number 12. 10 to shoot. Pass to number 7. Swing ball. 10 to shoot. Oo, hinaharas. Ang gandang depensa naman. Number 1. Okay, that's it.
Score 40-32 NBSU.
Sa mga gusto kami magpa-shoutout ha, sulat na lang sa papel. Huwag lang better. Recover by number 72. Back to number 14. Still number 14. Zigzag dribbling. Short jumper. Yes, sir. Good for 2. Walang bless. God bless. 3 points by number 4. 42-38. Ayan, nakakata lang. Number 7. To number 4. 3 points by shooter talaga. Oh, number 12, natapikan. Kanino bola? Teka lang. QSQ. Number 2 to number 3. Take the shot. Number 3. Nakuha ni number 11. Kumakalipas. Reyes. Ang ganda naman. Napakagwapo ko, sir. At player natin ang sinasiyan. Number 8. Take the shoot. Up. Relax lang, relax.
Guys, disqualifying foul.
2 shots to him. Number 2. To number 6. Makapasok ni number 6. Naka-score agad. Number 2. Nakatikan. Pass break ngayon kay number 12. Number 12. Wow! Parang umakyat sa bundok. So, number 2 ang inahalap. Number 3. Ang kanyang pasahan is QSQ. To number 3. Uy, ang kanyang kaya lang nakikita yun ni number 11. Easy layup by number 14. To number 1. Can you shoot? Number 1. Oh, hinanap niya naman. Kuha naman ni number 12. 2-on-1 ang laban yun. Number 12. Yes, sir. Hinanap.
Oh!
50 for you. Ito na naman si number 12. Number 12, umakyat na naman sa bundok. Number 3, 3 points by Deadlock pa rin tayo. Number 4, Engineer. 14-72, biglang bumukol ang 3. Si number 1. Pass. Number 3. Basket. Ayan na, nalibre. Number 12. Pinap-break pa ni number 12. Kung number 20, wala pa rin. Kuha yung number 12. Number 12, pantal. umabot. In favor of NVSU. Dikit na dikit ang laban. Pass! 55 ngayon! Ayan na. Ang sisa mo. Hindi pa naman masasal yun. Ayan na sa number 8! Hang by number 8. Ayun na naman. Si number 12. Terry shoot. Ferrer. Pinili number 3. Pabati. Dali nyo na ito. Uy, yun. Ako, hindi ko pa rin mabasa. Masyadong ito. Ito, 2-1. Nakuha ni number 12. Nakapagod pa. Grabe yung pagod pa lang yun. 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Oh. Nahuli. Si number 72. Number 72. Disqualifying.
Another disqualifying foul.
Disqualifying foul. Tension. Number 8. Basket. Rebound by number 11. Number 8 naman. Naman si number 8. Number 20. Nako, back to back. 55 to number 11. 11. Ang ganda naman. Kasi nakuha mo yung goal. Ito na naman si number 12. Ito na yung idol mo. Ayan na si number 12. Ewan ko kung anong okasyon. Ito na si 14. Pal-pal ang inabot. Uy! Dire-diretso si number 4. Ayan na si number 11. 2-1. Number 11. Time out. Time. Wala ka lang. Nakuha pa ni 11. Kaya lang may foul. Ayan na, i-isolate ni number 12. Yung idol ko. 5 up. Carrying the ball. 2 minutes. Big 3 points by number 1. Good number 34. 34! May nasamang foul. Time out. Okay, that's the end of the game. Winner, NVSU. Congratulations. Still congratulations, Dr. Next game natin.